P5 Science Experiments. Floating pin. The materials are a container filled with water, a paper clip, a piece of tissue paper, and a needle. The experiment steps are: put the needle gently on the surface of the water. Observe the needle. It sank. Now, put a piece of tissue paper on the surface of water gently. Make sure the tissue paper does not sink. Put a needle on the surface of the tissue paper gently. Make sure both needle and tissue paper does not sink. Now, use a paper clip to gently push the tissue paper down. As the tissue paper sinks down into the water, the needle floated. This is the end of today's experiment. Goodbye.